Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu says, there are certain conditions regarding a slave who wants to buy his freedom, which are mutually settled. Hazrat Ibn Umar or Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, the condition which is contrary to Allah's book is invalid, though there may be fixed 100 as such conditions. And Imam Abu Abdullah Bukhari says that this is said by both Hazrat Umar and Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha says, Barira came to me seeking my help to purchase her freedom. She said, if you wish, I shall pay to your masters, but I will have the right to inherit from you. When Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam came, she mentioned it to him. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, purchase her, then set her free, because the right to inherit goes to the one who manumits. Then Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam mounted the pulpit and said, what is the matter with the people who make such conditions as are not in Allah's book? Whosoever imposes such conditions as are not in Allah's book will get nothing, though he may impose 100 conditions. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 2735.